Hi anime crafters! Today we're going to be making these anime eye power bangle bracelets. So first I'm going to measure this leather cord around my wrist in order to get the proper size. And then I'm going to cut several pieces of leather cord in different colors against the first cord that I cut out. I chose colors that kind of match the image that I'm going to have in the middle of the bracelet. For these, I picked images that are based off of the anime eye power theme. So in order to glue this to the magnetic clasp, I just put a little bit of jewelry glue at the end and then I stick it into this metal clasp. Then we stick this through my cabochon setting that has a area where I can put the cords through. Then we just cut the side so that we make sure that it's even. And then I make sure I know where to put the other metal clasp so that it's the right way, because you don't want to put it on backwards. This one is a picture of Lelouch's Geass from Code Geass. Then I just put the little cabochon on the top and glue it in. This one I did as a recommendation from IDK Meh, who asked for Death Parade. So this is the eye in Death Parade. It's Deckham's eye. I don't actually know what their eyes do. I know they change when they're like looking through memories and stuff. But the anime is pretty cool. It's kind of like a horror film, or it starts out kind of creepy, but it actually gets pretty good as you go in further. The first episode's just kind of hard to watch, but I really liked it as I went in. It was very, very interesting and kind of like a mystery. So there we have Deckham's eye. Looks pretty nice. Then for the last one, I'm doing Kakashi from Naruto, his Sharingan eye. I really love Naruto. I used to watch Naruto a lot. It was probably one of the first animes that I ever watched. So I'm going to start putting the supply list in the description, so go ahead and go there if you want to see where to get the supplies. I'd like to thank my commenters, Brownie Oblivion, Ephemeral Thief, Derpy Artist Jade, Fangirl Lover 01, and IDK Meh. You guys are great. I'm really appreciating the recommendations, and I'll continue using the recommendations. So thank you all for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.
Anime Crafty. Please subscribe.